How to sell on TikTok without inventory. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to sell on TikTok shop without inventory, meaning without having the products on hand and in the inventory that you have at your home or at your warehouse. So what this title mean is how do we use TikTok shop or how do we sell on TikTok shop with a drop shipping business model, because drop shipping is basically selling without having the product on hand. The product would be coming from another source, another seller, another warehouse, but not on our hands and not in our inventory. Therefore, let's talk about how we will be able to do that. Now, there are multiple platforms out there that will allow us to do just that, where we could just simply have all kinds of products be on our store, be able to sell them without having actual any issues with maintaining them, checking how many products or how many products do I need to restock, stuff like that. Because there are platforms out there that actually manages that, and uh, some great examples are Shopify, CJ Dropshipping, AutoDS, and so on and so forth. And so, in today's video, I would like to introduce one of those platforms, which is, of course, CJ Dropshipping over here, which is a great, amazing platform. As you can see, it looks and acts like a basic e-commerce platform, your typical e-commerce platform, as you can see here. But what it actually is that you are actually able to import all of these products that you're seeing here to TikTok shop, or actually any store that you actually wanted to be imported to. There's all kinds of products over here. It's categorized. You could see the trending products, new products, products that has different options. Like for example, these products over here are print on demand, stuff like that. It's available in CJ Dropshipping. Products that you would typically see in eBay, AliExpress, Alibaba, it's all present in CJ Dropshipping. It's like a centralized hub for all of the stores, because all of the products are gathered and placed here for us to use and import to our different stores. And if you check out over here, these are the different platforms that you could actually connect to, or we could actually connect to our CJ Dropshipping. So we have our Shopify, we have our eBay, WooCommerce, Shopee, Etsy, Lazada, TikTok Shop, US, stuff like that, and many, many more. And the one we're going to be focusing on, of course, is our topic, which is TikTok Shop, which we have here as you can see. So there are two versions. You have the local version, which is specifically for the US, or like their region, because when you're creating a TikTok shop account, it actually depends on what region you are in. So if you're from the US, this is what you're going to be utilizing or selecting, of course. But if you're not from the United States, you could also select TikTok shop over here, the non-US version. Doing this will allow us to connect to our TikTok shop. We're just going to follow the process over here. As you can see, add store. Simply going to add store over here. There's going to be an information on what you need to do. As you can see, there's stuff that you have to set up, such as your warehouse. As you can see, you have to modify your warehouse, like shipping and return warehouse and TikTok management. Because of course, the products aren't going to be coming from us. So the information there should be coming from this details over here. So over here, what we could do is we could go to our account setting, I think. Let's see if it's the one. Yeah, it's this one. And over here, we have the warehouse settings. So you're basically going to modify your warehouse settings over here. As you can see, the pickup warehouse, the return warehouse over here, and you're going to use the information provided over here. After that, you simply click on OK. And then you're basically just going to log in and now authorize the connection, as you can see. So you have your Asia seller, and then simply select the location of which you have created your account. There's different places, so it's going to depend. And then you're going to basically authorize the connection, or like authorize the installation of the app into your TikTok shop, because there's also an app and services in here in our TikTok shop, meaning we are able to integrate different platforms as well. So we're integrating over here, although this is not going to work for me because I have some missing information or like missing paperworks for my TikTok shop. So it's not typically going to allow us. Let me authorize it. But let's go and let's wait for us to go back to our CG Dropshipping to showcase its other features as well. So it's not going to work for me. That's what happened before. So let's click on authorize over here. See, as you can see, so I have some issues with my TikTok shop. But anyway, after that process, you should be able to connect your store. Assuming you have connected your store, you can now simply scroll and look through the different products available for you or for us over here. So we have our trending products over here. So let's say we have this. You can click on you could open this product over here. You can check the different information. You can check the images, the prices, the title, the details, stuff like that, typical things. And then you have your options over here on the bottom left or bottom right. So you have list to add the product to your store. You could have connect, so that if the product already exists, you could establish a connection and have an automatic order fulfillment. You could also add to my product list over here, which will allow us to list and have a lot of products available. And then you could also buy sample over here so that you could check out that item or like try it out yourself as well. I would demonstrate the Shopify, like in the Shopify, what it would look like. But I'm having issues connecting it as well. But anyway, you see here, it's a very easy, very simple. There's a lot of categorization. Just treat it like your typical e-commerce platform, your typical store where you just check out different products. If you found something you like, if you found a specific niche that you think will fit in your store, you could simply add them to the list. You could click on list option or the list button that we saw earlier, and you will be able to list them under that store that you have. And over here as well, you can check out the different products that are currently trending. You could have some filtering over here, which would allow you to see different platforms that would allow you to or see the different products with a specific categorization over here, as you can see. And these are products that are recommended to be sold on our TikTok shop over here. So as you can see, we have all kinds of products available for us over here. So just simply add them to your list and add them to your store, and you will be able to sell on TikTok shop through the products that you have seen here and not worry about your inventory or anything about that. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.